Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to add headings in Google Sites. Yeah, the clean modern version for 2026. If your page looks kind of plain and you want those proper heading styles, you're in the right place. So let's get started. All right, first thing, open the Google site you want to edit. If you're logged in, you'll see all your sites right away. Just click the one you want to work on. Now, inside your page, find the text box where you want the heading. If you don't have one yet, you can just click Insert and choose Text Box. Super simple. Once your text box is selected, look for the little toolbar right above it. You'll see an option labeled Normal Text. Click it, and a small style list will pop up. From here, choose what you need, title, heading, or subheading. Google Sites uses these to organize your page visually. And yeah, it helps with readability too. Just click the style and your text instantly updates. If you want to tweak it a bit, like maybe make the heading larger or center it, use the buttons right next to the style menu. Totally optional, but it helps the page look cleaner. Before you publish anything, hit the preview button up top. This lets you see how your headings look on desktop, tablet, and phone. Sometimes the spacing looks different once you preview, so it's a good quick check. And that's pretty much it. Adding headings in Google Sites is honestly really straightforward. Once you know where everything is, if this helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more simple guides like this. And yeah, thanks for watching.